Hi David, I just want to show you the filter setup and the UV setup before I pack some of this away. This is our demo unit, but I just want to show you how your guys need to pipe it. So this is like the switch for your water on and off. It's like a standard tap. So this is coming from your PPR pipe or in the wall or connection that you've made. So this, I'm going to give you this connector, and I can send this as well. So this is the inlet pipe going into your filter system. So the water is going this way across the filter heads. So filter 1 is a sediment. That one goes first. Then the second one will be a UF filter, ultra fine. And then the third one, which may or may not be necessary, is an anti-scalum, but it's good to have. And then I've added a fourth one for this because I did mention in the quotation I'll be sending an alkaline biofilter. So it's up to you whether you use it or not. You can just bypass it. But from the filter head here, you go into the outside of this filter, and then the feed to the UV is coming from the top. So this will give you more alkaline water. Now this is the UV unit, so it doesn't matter actually which way round you put the pipes, but for simplicity, from here I've gone to the bottom. These two connectors will already be on your unit, and so the pipe just pushes in, push fit, make sure it really pushes in well, and then it comes out of the top. And then I've just got a very short here, but just to give you an idea, this is the faucet, so you've got a push fit at the bottom. You're going to have to take this off in order to get this apart. There's a bracket there that goes on the wall. I've given you the fixings, but you will have to take that off. But hopefully it will be fairly straightforward. I can show you that separately. So that's just the layout. So how I'm going to give you quite a bit of pipe so you can fix it however you want. Now, one of the main things you need to know, or need to do, or your guys need to do, is that you need to put these filters on one at a time. Pour the water in, let the water fill the filter, especially one by one, and then the water's going to come, with these two not fitted, the water's going to come gushing out of here. So just make sure you capture that. The reason is you have to flush each of these filters first before you use them. You're going to get carbon deposits, so you don't want that deposit going into the next filter. So that has to be done one by one. We would normally do that. Now these filters are a push fit, so you push them into the head, and I'm not going to do it now, but push it in and turn. You can see it's got lock and unlock on the filter. So sometimes they can leak a little bit after the first time. If it does, keep doing that, just keep pulling it off. Wet the seal and try again. But it's just sometimes they don't sit first time, and if the seal is a bit dry, then it can leak past. So it will be fine after. Just try it. If it does leak, just try a couple of times, wet the seal, and you'll be fine. The other thing, the UV at the moment, as I said before, it's got a UK plug on it. So use an adapter or a universal socket. Try and keep with the ground so that the unit is grounded. Worst case, chop off the cable and put on a local plug. Hi David, I just want to show you how to, the faucet connector is this type. It's got a connector on it which unscrews. Don't unscrew it too far, and then when you need to tighten it, you tighten it up like that. I have a special tool for this, but you can do it. You can tighten it with a pair of pliers or grips, something like this. So when you want to assemble it, you unscrew that like that far. And then this is your faucet. You'll put it on like this, and then you'll tighten that screw down, okay? And then to remove it, which is what you'll have to do when you get it,
It's just pulls off like that. Okay.